Every car requires a dash camera. At minimum, a two-way, although three-way and four-way cameras are getting more common. For my Ford, I have a nice two-way camera installed. I've been trying this guy after I got rid of my old camera. This does the back and the front. I have the wires just snaked up around the headliner so I don't see any of them. A power cable actually goes into the back. Now the only problem, if I do have the power cable going into the back of the handrest where the AC outlet is, I don't get the benefits of parking mode, because this camera does come with parking mode, as well as loop recording, Wi-Fi connection, night vision. It's a very comprehensive all-in-one solution. If you do want to get the parking mode on it, you do need to hardwire it into your fuse box. Not very hard to do, an extra 20 bucks. Honestly, I'd say worth it. I just wanted to get it installed, and I needed a dash camera already working because I just don't like to leave my cars without a dash camera. In the kit, they gave me everything I needed. Not only did I have the head unit, the camera unit, all the wiring, a pry tool, a memory card, all the adhesives for it. It was really a comprehensive all-in-one solution. Only thing I would do a little bit differently about it, and it's kind of a mood concern because I have it so high, I would make, if possible, the camera a little bit smaller, because I notice when I have it, it is kind of large. Being that the top part that it mounts to isn't adhesive, so you could just stick it onto the windshield and it can bend down, it can pivot. I have it positioned pretty high up. So really it being bigger isn't causing a problem for me. It's not really taking up any of my visual real estate from when I'm driving, and it does serve the job that it needs. The video quality on it is good, so that I enjoy. It also gives me GPS, which I haven't been quite utilizing yet. But so far, it's been great. I've been using it for about a month. I don't have any real complaints that I could be airing out at this time. So if you're looking for a decent camera and you're not looking to overpay, great option. Hopefully you found this helpful. Stay safe on the road.